What a nice day to be alive, my friends. Good day. Today we are gonna make a base for patio umbrella and planters. How many umbrella you have wasted when your umbrella tilted because of the wind? Your umbrella ended up like this. How many umbrella did you waste? So today we are gonna make a base that will not make your umbrella tilt anymore. This base that came with the umbrella that we bought, and it's not good enough to hold the umbrella when it's windy. So what I will do is I will put this in a planters. I took the plant out of it and I will make a patio base out of it. There you go. So, but before I did this, I label it using a labeler like so. I label it, it's close enough, and I label it this way. That's good. So for me to do that, I put him under the planters to make it level. So next that we will do is add a quick cement to the planters. This is 60 pounds. The base alone that came with the umbrella is only 20 pounds. We're gonna add 60 pounds to the base, all right, to make it 80 pounds base. Just like so. So now we have a umbrella base that weighs 80 pounds plus about maybe 5 pounds of these planters. Now we're gonna label it like this. Since this is quick, just do like so. Like that. And then next is we add water. That's it. That's all you have to do. Okay. We have to mix it up a little bit. Kind of hard, so I have to use this. All the tools that we're using is improvised. This garden tool is eraser for the lawn, and I think it's very good. Alright, if you want to know how to fix the patio umbrella ribs, I posted a video how to fix a patio umbrella ribs. So a little bit of water. Like so. Okay, we got to make sure that all the water penetrates all the way to the bottom of the base. Now, okay, gonna do it like that. let's check if the hose move. If it tilted on one side. Right now we look good. Okay guys, a day later, yesterday I did the cement, and today I'm gonna fill the planters with Miracle Grow. And what I did is I bought a furniture mover that I bought in Home Depot for $19. So if you want to move the umbrella and the planters around, you can easily move it. Alright, let's start to fill the planters with all-purpose soil. Miracle Grow, I choose Miracle Grow, and I think it will take 2 bags of Miracle Grow to fill the planters up. Okay, there you go. Okay, it seems like we are ahead of schedule here. So now I'm gonna plant this flower, this plants over here, and oops, I forgot. There you go. Take the plants out of the planters. Go right there. Next is the yellow. Okay, so that's kind of, there you go. All right. Now we're gonna do the red one outside. There you go. Okay friends, we're finished with our project, and let's put the umbrella on, and there you go. And right there. And if you want to move this umbrella and the planters, you can move it around easily because we have that wheel over there. All right, we're done with our project, so it's time for me to go dive in the pool and enjoy the day. Woo! All right. Then I put them up face. Okay, now it's time to water the plant. There you go. It's gonna be very, very beautiful. My wife will be happy to see this surprise. She's gonna be surprised. Alright, that's it. Alright, it's time for a beer and relax. Alright, there you go. Oh boy. I think I deserve this. Hey guys, thank you very much for being with me, spending time with me while doing this project. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends on how to make a patio umbrella and planter.